Good afternoon everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Today the video is getting uploaded late because of the network connections, but still no issues. So we have to do moving on to question number 3. 1 and 2 was done. A toy is form of a cone. Okay, it's a hemispherical on top of a cone. Okay, top or beneath the cone. So this is your required figure, and what you have to calculate out here is the curved surface area, okay, and the lateral surface area and the base. So eventually you have to calculate the total surface area. Okay, so majorly you are asked to calculate surface area, it means total surface area. Okay, so for cone, you know, it's 1 by 3 pi r square h, and for hemisphere, you know, it's half of 4 pi by 4 pi r square. Okay, and sorry, I told you the formula for volume. The surface area will be pi r l. Okay, so l out here will be height of the cylinder is this full figure is 15.5 and the radius is 3.5. So the height of the cone out here will be 12 centimeters. So pi r l will give you the curved surface area of the conical part, and the hemispherical part is 4 pi r for 2 pi r square. Okay, after having substituted the values, the answer comes out to be 14.4 centimeters. 14.4 or 14.5 depending on what's the calculations around. Okay, please pause the video to note it down. Now question number 4. Out here a cubical block, on top of that it's surmounted. It means that on top of that there is a hemisphere. Okay, surmounted means it's on top of. Okay, what is the greatest diameter of the sphere can you have? Greatest diameter of the sphere will always be the edge of the box, cubical box. So greatest, you have to write its diameter is 7 and radius is 3.5. So the total surface area of the cone will be lateral surface area of that hemisphere and the lateral surface area of the box, the cubical box. So cubical box, you know, it's 6s square, and the curved surface area out here is of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, minus you have to do the pi r square part because it's the beneath. Okay, it is not included in the curved surface area. So your total answer will be 6 edges square plus pi r square, and having substituted the values of the edge as 7 and radius as 3.5, you'll get the answer to be as 332.5 centimeters. Okay, please pause the video to note it down. Now question number 5, it tells that a hemisphere depression is to be cut out from a cubical wooden box. So imagine a cubical wooden box and take a scoop out of it. So the scoop out of it taken is in the portion is given, let the edge be L, so the diameter of the scoop will be L by 2, and the total surface area will be same as the previous numerical. It's just that now the top portion will not be included. Okay, so 6s square plus pi r square. Pi r square, why? Because 2 pi r square minus pi r square will give you the required curved surface area for the hemisphere. Okay, so answer will be in terms of L, so you don't have to worry. If in case they would have given a number, you would have used a number. Okay, but for L it's only L square. Okay, now this question number 6 needs to be done on your own as a homework. Imagine a capsule. I hope everybody has seen a capsule. So capsule 1 you can term as this, the square portion, and the 2 hemisphere portion. Okay, 1 square and 2 hemispheres portion you can take on, and you can find the surface area. So lateral surface area of the cylinder and the lateral surface area of that hemisphere, okay, will give you the entire surface area. Okay, please pause the video and complete it, and after 2 seconds 3 seconds look at the solution which is out here. Okay, so your answer turns out to be 22 to 20. Okay, So that's it for today's video. I hope you understood the video and kindly copy it down. Okay, today we have done 3 numericals. Okay, 3 to 4 numericals. Fourth numerical will be as your homework. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.